benefit of having hospice services come in and provide care, even if the family's able to provide it themselves, is allowing them to be family, to not have to be that caregiver. Caregiving can be tremendously hard. It's common for people to get burnout with it, and it's just important to be the loved one.
Our dad found out that he had cancer, so we had to find a hospice situation, somebody to take care of him. We knew we needed help, and they were amazing because when we signed him up for hospice, the wheelchair was there in like 2 hours. You know, he had a lift chair, and it was less than that. I know John brought it up.
About an hour.
Initially, going in to see a patient on hospice, it's kind of assessing what their baseline is at that time, and then with each subsequent visit, seeing if there's progression or improvement in whatever symptoms or whatever's bothering them, whether it be pain or nausea, fatigue, and what their goals are with those symptoms, and how I can help them be more comfortable with their symptoms. On the physical side, assessing vital signs, assessing pain, appetite, weight loss, as well as emotional well-being, not just physical. Companionship, shared a lot of stories, medication management, making sure that he's on the proper medications to control symptoms.
Yep.
Above and beyond, they took care of it all.
I just feel it's an honor to work for Above and Beyond. They allow me to provide what I need to my patients physically, emotionally. It's that holistic approach, while still taking care of their employees and what we need. It's a hard job, but it's worth it. The benefit of having hospice services come in and provide care is allowing them to be family.
Above and Beyond is amazing. They have great people that work for them.
They must do a really good job picking out the right people.
I would highly recommend Above and Beyond Hospice.
We give hugs, we share snacks, we share tears.
Ask your medical provider about Above and Beyond.
Above and Beyond Home Health and Hospice. The best journey takes you home.
Mother-in-law and my father-in-law both had Above and Beyond, and I think that's what made me think of Above and Beyond too, and I would highly recommend anybody to have them for their services. I get nursing care, I get the bath, and I get the therapist. Are the three that I get right now.
Well, I'm able to come into the house and just do assessments on him and see if he has particular needs or things that I can help him with, or things that we need to change to make him more comfortable, and that allows him to stay here in his house, to live his life as normal as can be. Gives us time to have a special bond.
But I can have him in my home.
Jim Zimmerman realized he wasn't ready to give in to cancer and fought back with Above and Beyond nurses by his side.
So we talked to him about goals, or he wants to be around when his granddaughter graduates.
It gives me something to strive for. I would highly recommend anybody to have them for their services.
Above and Beyond Home Health and Hospice. The best journey takes you home.
I knew that he was getting exactly what he needed, and it was sincere.
I would do a lot of communicating with Nancy, Jane as well, just what was going on or what some changes that I'd noticed during my visit from the previous visit.
I knew that Above and Beyond could come into the home and take care of things, and I wouldn't have to worry about anything. Whether it was just helping with therapy or helping with a shower or even preparing a meal. It was easier for me when they came in and he had a good day. And we grieved together, and that was another thing that was really special, and I don't know that all families get that, but with Lindsay and Marcia and Dixie and Sue, we were so comfortable together as sisters or daughters that the grieving was a together thing.
Above and Beyond is there for the entire family.
Anytime we needed them, you could call.
And families I feel are more comfortable with us knowing that we're just a phone call away.
I mean, they would help out with anything we needed help with.
Dad was a Civil War historian. The music therapist even went out of her way to do Civil War music. And so it was just awesome for Dad.
Above and beyond home health and hospice, the best journey takes you home.
Well, her medical diagnosis is Alzheimer's dementia. It's in the terminal stage. As a caregiver, it's actually my job to do what I can to see to it that she has comfortable care. Number one, they provide the nurse, and that's 24/7 on call. That's a very, it gives me a great feeling of peace of mind that I know I can call the nurse. And they provide the equipment. They provide the medication for comfort.
I like to provide care and comfort to patients at the end of their life when they are the most vulnerable, and make sure that they are very comfortable.
Roger Soper knows his wife Sharon wants to be home as long as possible.
I felt there where she wanted to be.
That's why he called Above and Beyond Hospice.
And so we're making this work.
As a caregiver, I try to provide them with everything that they need in the home to keep her home.
We couldn't do it obviously without the help of Above and Beyond.
Above and beyond home health and hospice, the best journey takes you home.